Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are looking at the 4 default lights in Blender. Let me show you what each one does fast and simple. Let's start with the point light. This is the point light. It emits light in all directions, like a light bulb, perfect for small light sources like lamps or candles. The second one on the list is the sunlight. This is the sunlight. It doesn't care about distance. Its rays are parallel. That means it lights your entire scene evenly, just like a real sunlight. The third one on the list is spotlight. This is the spotlight. It shoots light in a focus cone. You can control the angle and softness, perfect for dramatic lighting. Let's look at the fourth light, which is area light. This is the area light. It emits light from a surface, not a point. The bigger it is, the softer your shadows, perfect for product renders. Master these 4 lights and your renders instantly look professional. Follow for more Blender tips. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share my videos.